The word huddle as a noun is a tightly packed group of people. Now, if you like watching cricket, like most Indians do, then you would have noticed that players often form a huddle to quickly discuss their strategy. So, इस तरीके से इकट्ठा आना, एक ग्रुप में आना is to huddle. A huddle is a noun, while to huddle is a verb. So, to huddle is to press together in a close group. To huddle is to be densely packed, cramped together. Now we observe that animals often huddle together to avoid extreme cold. Let's have a clipping here.
They lock together in tightly packed huddles as they struggle to keep warm.
So, to pack together very tightly is to huddle. Another example, his clothes were huddled in a ball. Now, the word huddled is an adjective form of the word huddle. Hopefully, we are getting the meaning here. Another usage. One of the reasons why I hate living in a city like Delhi is that I don't like being huddled into overcrowded places. To huddle is also to cover. So किसी चीज से डर कर या किसी चीज से बचने के लिए इकट्ठे हो जाना is to huddle. For example, people huddled under the shed to avoid rain. So बारिश से बचने के लिए people huddled under the shed. Another usage, he was huddled under the blanket. वो सर्दी से बचने के लिए कंबल के नीचे छुपा हुआ था. She sat huddled in a chair. They are huddled in a corner. Hopefully, we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OP boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.